Big Herc 916. You tune into Muscle Up, my all car channel, and I'm about to get into detailing the wig splitter Porsche. Just got it back from the shop. It's pretty dusty, and I haven't given it a real good detailing since I've got her back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some detailing on the interior right now for you guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the channel, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the wide body. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna hit the vents first. I already did the vents on the other side. I hate having dusty vents in cars. When you look and you see vents that are dusty, it just, I don't know, it just irks me, man. And I've been looking at these vents the last few times I drove the car, and I haven't had a chance to really get down and do it. So I figured, what the heck? Use a little screwdriver and a rag and hit these vents so that they look decent, man. I plan on hitting a car show this weekend. Haven't done any car shows in a while, and I just like to be clean all the way around the board. What do you use to clean your vents? I had some tools, but I can't find them, man, and I don't want to have to wait to order anything. So if you make a tool to clean the vents, shoot me a message at Big Herc at bigherc916.com and let me know, and maybe I can get your product on the channel. Now, as far as the interior, the leather, I have this stuff right here, this leather oil that works really well. I've used it before. I don't have a sponsor by them, but if you want to sponsor me, it's called Ombenoff's Leather Oil. It does a real good job of making the oil, the interior look good. Restores, protects, preserves your leather. And then I have this CJ's Master Formula Metal Gloss. I have a few little things in here I want to touch up with this metal gloss, so I'm gonna wipe them down and I'll let you see what it looks like after I wipe them down. Now, for the plastic parts, I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. I got a bunch of stuff over there, so I'm gonna pick something out to gloss up some of this plastic trimming on these knobs too. And I'll let you get a look after I touch them up so you can see what they look like. But this is meditative for me, detailing the car. So let's get with it. So by the time I finished detailing the car yesterday, it was already getting pretty dark, so I went ahead and finished off the detail. But I figured that today I would show you what the car looks like in the day before it gets too hot. So I've first time washing the car, really giving it a once over, and you know, like I said, detailing the car is therapeutic for me. It reminds me of my childhood when I used to wash cars with my grandfather. So let's take a look at the wig splitter Porsche, what it looks like after it's been detailed. Overall, I'm kind of happy with how it Came out. Still a few little water spots that I'll hit up with the detail spray. And you know I got my own detail spray. You guys got to go Big Herc 916, pick you up some so that you can get your car right. It's safe, no chemicals, water-based. Interior looks good. Looks good, man. I can still kind of touch on a few little areas, but overall, the interior does look good. Hit that center console. Hit that steering wheel a little bit. Seats are popping. Seats look good. And I got those tins back here. Got that beat. Got that beat back here. Nothing crazy, but see, I got the little highs back here, and then I got speakers right here in the door panel. And got some underneath there too, but yeah, car looks good, man. Looks good. Tell me what you think. Wig splitter Porsche. Yeah, buddy. I still got to take it back to the paint shop. Probably after Father's Day and have him wet sand, buff, and touch up some of these areas that he missed because he didn't color sand and buff the car all the way when I got the car back. A few little details, but overall, at least I can enjoy the car, take it to some car shows. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass Soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigHerc916.com, you can pick you up a bar, and my goal is to help America combat funk. Go to the Herc store at BigHerc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch or some of the Muscleup Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average. Got the Muscleup t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscleup Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.